Hi guys, this is your girl Vero-The-Test. Today I have for you a Tenker mini LCD video projector. I just got it. So I want to unbox it and check it out. I'm really excited about this one. Clear. Oh, this has a really nice picture. You can tilt it forward, down. Oh, this is cute. That's what it looks like. Don't mind my wine. Okay, and if you have an Amazon Fire TV stick like I do, I'm gonna try it out and see how well you can actually see your videos and movies. Let's see. So if you have an Amazon Fire TV stick, this is what it's gonna look like once you set it up. It's nice and clear. Okay, I'm holding the projector. Let me get my remote. So you have Cody. There you go. So you're just using it as another TV. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm so loving this. This is very convenient to have. I absolutely love this. I think I'm going to bring it to my sister's house so we can watch movies outside. But there you have it. This is the Tenker mini LCD video projector. Oh my god, I'm going to keep playing with this. So if you guys are interested in getting your own, which I honestly think you should, check out the link below this video. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye guys.